You do it.
What? Get me going. Come on, man. I gotta get this goddamn clothes washed. Mine, goddamn. Shut up!
It's supposed to make noise.
Shut up! That ain't get good. Ah, fuck them motherfuckers. Shut up! God damn, I need these clothes washed. God damn you! It ain't right. What am I gonna do? Motherfucker! God damn, ain't got no money. What the fuck?
What is it doing? We on a different cycle? Dude!
Fuck them! Fuck them in their goddamn clothes. I get this. What the fuck is this? I done told you about filming me!
Don't know anything. What is that?
Oh, hit you with a bird! Go on now, man. Look, I'm mad. Leave me alone. They come get the goddamn washer. I got all these clothes washed before they get here. Then what are you gonna do? Why the fuck you let me break the motherfucker for?
Can't stop you.
Goddamn, I done ripped that off a goddamn wall.
It's been like that. For like a week.
Who fucked it? You do that?
You did it.
I don't care shit up his house. I don't care nothing. All I do is get the blame for shit. Fuck you.
Are you really gonna leave a bag of garbage in it?
What are you not gonna, yeah, leave your goddamn clothes. That's garbage enough. Can't believe they come to get my goddamn washing all because I can't afford to pay. 1 week I missed. Had the motherfucking 8 months. $30 goddamn dollars a week. That's a lot of goddamn money. I could have got one from Goodwill cheaper than that.
Come on. You get the fucking thing to stop now.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this. It's on the wrong thing.
I told you not to goddamn get in the motherfucker bag. It wasn't worth a fuck. What? The fuck's that truck doing here? The fuck's that truck doing here? Yeah, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm here to pick up your washing machine. They told me I needed.
What washing machine?
The one you guys can't make payments on.
Well, we can't beat the clothes against a rock. This ain't
What the?
I mean, we wouldn't have to do this. You to rip off the fucking button.
Where's that? There it is. God,
Relax.
shut the fuck
Well,
up.
oh, get real.
What?
What the hell are you gonna try to do?
Y'all done got it fucked up.
What is this gonna do? You're not really. He's plugging this shit in. Can you just unplug the washer? I really have to wash clothes right now. Ah!
I did a good job that time.
Stop! Oh no, Oh, what?
Just shut up.
Oh god, please don't mess with the hot and cold options too. What is this? Oh. Oh god damn, I don't want to look at this.
Damn. If I can go without getting fucking lit.
Please just I'm serious, get your fucking hand away from this. Unplug it. What's this now? Unplug the goddamn washing machine. What's that? Yo, let's just flicker over the lights and shit. now.
Oh well, what the fuck? You get your clothes washed.
Please get your fucking hand off of this. I don't like this. Please, just don't touch it anymore.
Fuck it! You happy? You get your goddamn clothes washed, ain't you, motherfucker? Told you. They repoed the
Alright, seriously, I don't want to be in this room anymore.
They repoed the motherfucker. How much you give them?
150?
What, you dumb son of a bitch? You got... That's more than we fucking owed on the motherfucker.
Well, you got rid of the fucking pool. We couldn't use that anymore.
Man, fuck you. And you...
Oh, God, there's a...
You keep your goddamn hands off that fucking washing machine. You done broke the motherfucker once. Fuck y'all.
Yeah, you need to put those underwear through the washing machine.